What's up? In this video, we're going to be going over how to add an awesome photo to your YouTube channel. So if you're not quite sure how to do this, what you want to do is, come up to your standard profile icon that you need to set in this video, and just make sure that you click on your channel, just so that we're in the same place. All right. So from here, what we want to do is go ahead and click on Customize Channel. All right. Now it's going to welcome us to YouTube Studio. Yay. Thank you so much. What we want to do first is come under channel customization and open up the branding tab. Now, here you'll be able to upload your image. So let's go ahead and click upload, and you're going to want to find your image that you want to upload. So in this case, I'm going to search 8482 tutorials. Beautiful. And we have a 8482 icon, and I'm going to go ahead and click upload. All right. So we can of course size this, and then boom, it's done. We can also, I can look for one that's a little bit bigger. So I have this one as well. You're going to just play with, the image. You can of course crop it, however you want to, and then just go ahead and click done. That looks awesome. So we're going to, leave that there. We can add a video watermark, so we could actually upload that little icon as our video watermark for the channel. And that will be on, say, the entire video. And we're going to go ahead and then click publish. And you will see that the branding images for your YouTube channel are now updated. Now, mind you, it might take a little bit of time. I've noticed it doesn't take that long. So probably within the hour, if you don't see it updated, across all aspects of your channel, you're going to be able to see it there. All right. So that's how you can go ahead and add your branding to your brand new YouTube channel.